while near Indial ka should gwan ka gat ki ko the gwarel goidero men dini jen ken yam lana no ko lungo to ba enemy lada when kos be latel by Kenya na me jen dini jen na na ke long and tell my life raja life we can carabo we can ro the gag yo ko ngay na tane ka power problem in Ethiopia so ani yo bi go alamen ladan tama ke jan ngwase man well roj mo go mishalat nyimandan na abuse makchul chelas ke YouTube de dan belling balat pingomo ko biaje kulejek la melat abuse makchul la rejenene ngu milla wuna nuertin ci gwar tin ci level midit re education ka ci garamati ka PhD ki garamati ka master degree ngulla Guaarnueeri pelamo bo ko ni jor dodien ngu question mo a question mecha wuni shaga tike je ka wuni tike ke wunti ci gwar ki enra mishiro jego to chatake standard ki che level me did ki advance level che je chop la nuer la ka benye pin that la question mo che nyot kono to clearly or take something fishing there ki take a duop mi gwijo to ngu mi la wuni akan mishig na mo akan alet ke je mishi kono gwij ka talk them on talk there she's right men la de true okay true man chale true ala tell a lying with the thing with the lar na me kai a true point cause mi gwi kono la talk ni tin chi gar a keneten kon tin kula kwen ka jo well she kon la no to jor e keneti je no like no yena muri resource nin ka kano bi akana rar keneti pankin sikan resource ken sikan ga nonga kon malat ka goma ngula rana goro bo ko ni jor benwer bakalo jende main point and tam right content take the go to shalara to for instance man wer to manakan chaka kwen a jor well nankani resource no kon you know take men jalar kon abuse mark chol chakwen na to chakwen akawai chakwen akawai but jen shele so ante resource mo kala nang ne rar jen rer dana shelat gomi do know I'm being supportive here ko gweje je take a phone mo gamisha mention alla 99% men were kwen ka jor chejan ka men were dumnu kan wun panken kan wun la wun were michi gwar kan ramu jor michi 99% je kula fulfill ko da na da kula buladika be kul nunka community dan kon were chicken let ala ponya dan la no to michigan kon pain kon and I mean yes and wood yeah dumno mi kwana nyal lo ajenato bi kwana lo gurjo to ba community dan be buladika si cha jibu chi bu kwana ko bo le na community mi ka jan dan lo de a general resource ni kon aka chanang rar aka tika kon ken si question kula bano to men dini jana long time men jana la disadvantage and jan la ra jawto angu mi la wun mi shi gwarne chiang kan wore la ya kwene ne joro na modern question mark and dan and they con that kid in discourage sexually very important point along because it's not a racist she con a racist but the community they just let it again down and that chejan just support 99% ka wunin wari bo en ramu ci gor la ja gore be te ke jora yeah why sometimes don't need la to rama wun Nuer mu ki jin wun Nuer mi kwen ka joro di laro to men Nuer, yes, in some point kan ka gwar. But one example in dini en jana abis ma ga jana kan gwar chawda jan lada jan kwal lada kan ram na gatchen. Actually the truth la men la dino de rande de ching la to de chawda da ga da karam. Jan de mi cham da no ke culture an kon Nuer wude jan la lada wude jan la yak kono tele shek la jana ba ka ba de wude jan la yak ko ba kwen ba kulo no chang jan tada. But tem mu kula ko ro chenya chebente ko to de chek da na gwar. But the worst thing is chalaro chek mi gwar to ijega but do know chek mi gwar always they lar to 90% take a problem because then she can take the can she can put to care within that moment because me she chord the jojin tension but we know I have to go and work. So God don't baga chu ban Ramadan ti cheng and then yendi albi achu te gwelen kun le rama so from there the problem will be created somewhere that take advantage can take disadvantage advantage gwe come and o mi shi cheng mi shagwar o jan fon en shega mo run mi shi wood bo che we chunga tara ne albo yes mani shegbo da tara bo da ni chong ne but wood in nature wala de woto be check be jarom jalar danan cha ku pinga je mi ci kon wi kon ke tok de man tok de cha la wut lade o be check be jarom sedan lat check o jan ba gad be karom chen tamami sigma cha gor ka bible ko ci kon ngajo to take a disciple ya ti chi la do to ci check your de je ko ci check your right ko te de lat ci mun de lat but nana eneme can right code in fact they are to don't say they are right thing they check their right code then a lot but do not check misha kwen I think boom along their family band pin come ka da ga da from there la their right code there chen la no to je go their record there but do no they are 90% content tin man shun ko rodi anata kane di shida ka shoken me ram te ka shoda kan no ka shoda I'm telling you the truth shigamo 100% but the same God will go kojen lade je ka right way but me shik mi shida e mazo to be yiglar to man gwar man tayena yes shik da gwar ko be pel chien again chikman chalaro to take a disadvantage ka take advantage somewhere cause mi gwar ka cha chen je ga shor yes true da yik da yik jenda ro dorom kan gat ka tin konde jada but kashik mukana gwar kachi shawre shanga jak yes serious ba very hard ba loro me chi mana chente me par penada la wure joga wure wantude ba jojin enta nangi but chana gor ko lun jokuda eto mi shawa dak bo lun jokko be kul borom nyok I think la namone la tie an argument between them cause would run what the dana can jang and shake. In fact, Borlele Guay. But at the end of the day, but we are worse. Pichangbo, but we top kaka kandaro. Ko washiang la nyoda guada down and she menchi jan chien or do no many of them which are gorka Bible to Jinwood Ladu to be shake Birom Kanagad. Yes, you should do that. Because the only thing and to take a con taker or banaman banakarom can book a God. Shin. Do no me would me ramate taradian, don't matter quang, don't matter the tap, don't let shen cocken, don't go to Guar, kitty, jet cocken, the dead lord check there, Nijaga, yes, stay check a jonko to quit the future, or don't move to go room, yes, stick a right co, they check a more, that a guarcado than agree. Do no she would check a chonko there, Jan, da damradi and da shake coach quen. It would have been Piniko Janicharogi Sharamadi. Because this is what is happening nowadays. I like ship, I mean, sorry, wood, Micha Guara, don't go there than me, kind of guar, don't go renyal. I mean, Mete will go to high school, but would go renyal from there. Georgia, I love you. Jaram Dante, we are going to spend the rest of our life together. Bitung wanted nonsense because Lapin, man, be a take a gather. Then your Michigan, Michigan, yo, Michigan, degree, she took okay, a master degree do, and my big yen book community that yen book when. Women down like your responsibility, be pal, cause we just she wrote name, she take something, which name. A challenge me didn't tell my community down, but you go corner. Okay, do me then now, Niam. Maintenance who con native na Canadian content go they win where they can view ke they can lot they one yam or then ke they get a future when they got they can take a room they got they con bit ke different perspective ke do to go and then they con yam ko like I said kenyam balu ni joko mandana nyam abuse mark chol share point mo gwane jan chalat la rajo to ngum la wut no la gore be jen ba wo bo kwen ka jor kujimi why and around there or the teach ngula to gana mone why it happened ka kon wera ka kon to chi wunu kon chicken chi I mean sorry chi men kon bo ken chi ka men tin chukulo to ka gor wa kan ken jen bo ti don't get to ga mazi to te go de chala den be jen bo ko community da dien ba o kwen kai yo me nyam do dien mi gwa te master ba guru ran dien ko she guru sos ni bi ko ra why ngu to go ni tadi ala te mi guru to kwen ka she ta ka she already and I don't want to have another one then mi guru kwen ka she go na nyam ji to ka PhD ke ka master degree chen let's say it don't chen take a check cha gorba take a nyam take a master degree I don't think or they nyam take a master degree more they accept ko ramichi gwara la we no ba yigla ni shi marika jishinga but kan wertele mishi yik take a master ne shi ro kevin ne shi master degree shi kept ke PhD ke degree bularo tan shi na gor na man ba yigor ka jor ko di baro guje expensive la kon la kodana guje ko kon ni di long mi goro ke ci rodo yek la li nga ci rodo yek mi ci rodo yek la ne the content yen ke la ci do de kendial the same thing can right now this is what is happening look rodan ka kan do to once mi ci take education mi di mi ci take high self esteem bo mo do ci rugi lo ci benyal then be bo Nueeri bi ka look so which make it hard along the queen Nueeri ko they move forward that way so many things jeno message chamun abuse mark chul chelarne ala nying ti tienten kana kwen tin mot pinyan tama dung made yen with ke different angle the de Nueeri de yen do bala ramish intellectual ka kon la jena ba ko community do dien ba Nueeri ba ka ban pin actually Nueeri shi kan ngwa kuch ngai kan ngwa dung no take ne to mo exactly to queen ngwa ko to de na de ko nyamde sometimes di gujo to wajin di kwen ki de je kwen la ko da na titin la to gono mona ya mishu guje why ngular ko no la ko jin mu waji kwen rar la ko da dien ba nang ni jirar ka dongor ko jin di can take di je according to the Bible to the scripture shejan Bible no more but understanding that has not ki ramaran muraj chejan be mala advantage be yika amandian the family they benefit okay be yugo to engo dian mede neka de ka dormo gwa de kana jekaja duno la kon we fail ke bana open chiman ja goro yen pen check bana open na we calculate we jin check ke jin wood sometime ala jor mi she kwen e ma so room bia dak ke bia rodun dak somewhere mi te kam chu to la we to chejan dung no mi tika committed relationship I don't think more that work bia dak in around more che de to Do no point and dana like a goma abuse marchul. She can take an 80 right against this thing or lark and auto abuse marchul. Come to a kawaii. A moon rajan or knock a jam. It's a man where it's a quen a jam, it's a man jacquen an 80. Actually, abuse mark take a point, you cooking point, in case something, you call large on a man and a look, much look, a moo, Mila wouldn't worry. Like can you a quenka joro? Me a doctor, chen go. Yes, I know. Naka Ethiopia, Naka Gambela, when a man, right now, go right now, right on tell life. This is a live movement, right? We could Gambela, I'm right corner. Of course, they need you when book a jaw. Mishu Gujija, yes, Larana with bow to me. Chakwen Kajoro bag with bow to expensive, and did and we did, because they in a good bow to did a ramamo. It's true. You know, good bonco sometime. Don't they in a good bomber walk when Nueeri ba guji to tell me to occur. Sometime they me take a mental side shake like they take a shekel and word shekel like your one me. Muluno jinti take a power key she relate to medid, all right? Chitia. They in a good book of dwarf, because need to I have to show these people that I'm somebody, And around, like I video to there or the new to enga. From there, yes, Larana video to me. Be road union I didn't, but I don't think it's the right thing to do. And auto be road in your now. Mukwen rather than keep queen jor. She auto be neku kin work with a but omishi kwen nung ni community noni abu to kill ka Nueeri. Okay, achi nang ni jirar malala to ne la kwen abu nang na narage. Please acha nang ni ji anung ni jire Nueeri ki non ramore Nueeri. Acha nang ni ji me jor me wood, why don't you mushi no need nong ne ach ne malung ne acha nang ni ji shijan. I'm supporting mental abuse. Abuse mang menang ni je lo tell me la kan war yela she's wrong. She's the right thing. She de ja kwen karar ka ber so ba nang ra. So now what do we need? Mi cha je kwen net go than dan and jenathan. All right. Net go dan and jenathan a wan and so lenen aka lenen war lenen ka a future Nueeri I won yam ko dog dan de won yam ga. So they kon yi good ko dog dan and they kon mi shikanamo. Den je keja ko den wo ni am rating content konga taloy mi di long ko de ne dial de kan manana tuok de kan alat last men chalat abuse marchul share comment no yen wona dial atong te dong kun ke juto yes te kon ke Guaar within the United States, Australia, ke Western world, tishu Goar, tingeshiang, tideran mongori, de yiglan. So mongori queen, why not? Chura Guaarnueeri to ra, mishi Guaarnueeri de which she can look, right? Shamisha to Mashela, recommendation and Dana should recommend, which is beautiful as well. So me, Mugur Joto Jin, Benuel Bukaladeka, yes, a la future Murat in Yamdu. Kunika jor to me because she a problem. Kuni, okay, have children. Do no jichanang a la Benueeri because look here, let go to Benueeri because yang kadua mishiroda lo. Lani a low Benueeri because ang niam kadua badan de ko niam kajan. Alright, this is Mandinijan along reteka a ode na ching a Goar a law kadua badan de na ching kajan. Shimishit kaname. Nana chalat and you manda na abuse marchul. So chilode te the long abuse marchul, getting content chilat. To YouTube do share and then to message do share a message be beautiful. I like it and I love it. And then the ojo something that I will take with me because a mugwa ka. Kadi ojo to da mugwa bokun wordin kokian, right? Chine long no special and chen long no to their why not? and around there go there kwen ka jo and tel me jekten dunno acha nang ne jirar anu kan ji jana dana na de lar ke jan gwasa me mi te mu gije me de comment ka jan leave it there, leave the comment to go on down and the binding men jog den because in that life ke lot of your right right now many thing there are look chikon ngajo to tung one can chick a talk the last 6 years chikon men chale December 15 can 16 chana jala ku kon ne konte ye ken jen ku kon ka remember chen so ku kon remember la take bu kon campaign because this is what I've been saying negatin diala lada I always say that men dinijan we only need to take mede konang niam mo amendian reka December 15 ko ko ngai yina chaka pat chatung wan kan chaka la chejan dino shiga no reka rodin kete konde yiken bat bo ke jan chang mo jate ge yitung wan ko do to go ti yiken chika jan the same people tell na mo let kana bo kan yi shit kateta so amude kon kula kantena men dena kantena o mede kon jaga ban ran mado okay agenda ande kon kanten amude kon maten ne well ngai kon auto mission to on December 15 la ne dia la ka no wakel ba ne dia le kon ti yiki de shi ba ka ben team ba ko ba jugo to yiken ke te kedu anyok jangni we da bo ko mishikana me charo da binyo ko nyoko again ka gwada be yi ke gwada na jete kamal message me jen message dan la to ko nisha jen message go e body to bonisha cause jen dan gor kon dunan chiri ben chi to bana mijek bana nyoko lene dunan auto ko ngadi auto Nuer life is very important kenaran we mon like human being life there very important any take run which you call that mun kera misha da midel ke shokro what take there very important so we chang your enemy chigaman chikono kulara to we can never forget but we forgive okay forgive but not forget cheluno to muku kon ka forgive it don't kon ke hidden agenda maba wala no o kon news kon na o na me chato but chato dum no chine pal ke duo me ka duo me cha wejin shira mi je mi shela shi de ger ke je ki rejection ke je dum no bulo ni ro de pin ko be ko du jo to ti dia long rodien me de pin te kamal I always say it, Guaarnueeri. Kajan guasa me chela test, biata kamal, jandana de la riena no. Bye. Okay. Sorry.